How to share more than one contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. The phone app on an iPhone is primarily used for making and receiving calls, including cellular calls, FaceTime audio calls, and FaceTime video calls. It provides features like a keypad for manual number entry, a favorites list for quick access to frequently called contacts, and a recents list for reviewing recent calls. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Over here, use 2 fingers to tap and select the contacts you want to share. And then long press on the selected contacts and tap on Share. Here, tap on Done at the top right. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Choose the platform that you want to share the contacts from the option. And finally, send it to them. Following these steps, you can easily share more than one contact on iPhone.